Welcome to Books in Sum, your go-to for bite-sized book summaries.
Money, Master the Game is Tony Robbins' guide to turning a modest savings into a mountain of cash so that you can do whatever you want with your life. He discusses how to use the changing of the seasons to guide your investment decisions, the minimum amount of money you'll need to be financially independent, and why faith in one's own abilities is the best financial advice anyone can give. Allowing interest to accumulate year after year is what we mean when we talk about compounding. Let's pretend you put in $100 and got back $10 in return. Robbins also discusses the importance of believing in yourself, how much money you need saved before you can quit your job, and how the changing of the seasons can inform your investment strategy. The rules of financial security and the significance of adding money to savings accounts are the most crucial information presented in this text. The first rule of financial stability is to put something aside every month, no matter how little. Investing in your savings is like scaling a mountain. The more you put in, the higher your return will be. 10% of your income should be set aside for savings. This may seem impossible at first. Avoid investment myths by instead doing your due diligence to find the best places to put your money. No one in the financial industry has your best interests at heart. While it may seem like a good idea at the time, many people make the mistake of entrusting their investment funds to stockbrokers. A fiduciary is the only expert you can put your faith in. You can educate yourself about investing on your own if you just keep in mind a few guidelines. The first guideline is to have faith in yourself and to study up. The second guideline is to exercise extreme caution and not try to outperform the market. The third principle is to generate sufficient income from investments to pay for essential monthly expenses and still have some left over for entertainment. The fourth principle is to ensure that you can support yourself. The keys to financial independence are the focus of this text. Goal setting, a freedom fund, and wise financial investment all fall under this category. Don't give up if your progress toward financial independence seems slow at first. Fear of failure or thinking only in the here and now should not deter you. Accelerate the process by making necessary changes to your lifestyle and only investing when you are confident of a positive return. Invest only if you can reasonably expect a return of at least 5 times your initial investment, and downsize before retirement. Investing wisely and maintaining a healthy work-life balance are the primary focuses of this text. Investing wisely and maintaining a sense of equilibrium will help you make the most of your freedom fund. The key to successful investing is diversification, or spreading your money around among various financial instruments with varying degrees of risk. You should divide your savings into 3 categories: safety, expansion, and aspiration. How much money you should put in each bucket is determined by your outlook, risk tolerance, the size of your freedom fund, and your life goals. Listen to the guidance of experienced investors, but don't forget to protect yourself financially. A person who exemplifies this is Ray Dalio. Bridgewater Associates, the largest hedge fund in the world, was founded by Ray Dalio. His strategy, which he dubs the all-season allocation, is meant to help investors profit regardless of market conditions. Specifically, one would put 7.5% of their wealth into gold, 7.5% into commodity, 30% into stocks, and 55.5% into U.S. bonds. In order to achieve financial independence, it is recommended that one diversify their investments, get reliable financial advice, save for financial seasons, and purchase insurance. One must be committed, willing to save, and willing to take the necessary steps to achieve financial independence. Investment diversification, consulting with a reliable advisor, planning ahead for financial seasons, and securing insurance are all pieces of advice that can be put into practice.
We hope you found this summary helpful in your listening journey. If you're interested in diving deeper into the topic or getting your hands on the whole book, be sure to check the description below where we've included links to the book and other related products that may be useful to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest book summaries. And feel free to leave a comment with any suggestions or requests for books you'd like us to cover. Thanks again for tuning in and happy listening.